the special operators. So what are the special operators? Two types of the special operators. This first one is the identity operator, and this second one is the membership operator. In the identity operator, they are is and is not, while in the membership operator they are in and not in. Let's see with some examples. Now see here, what is not. When see in this example, when we are assigning the a is equal to 10 and b is equal to again 10, see this, a is we assigned as 10 and b is again assigned as 10, and when we printing the value, see this, when we want to print the a is b, okay, so what will this returning? A is b. Is means nothing but the equality operator. See, we know a is a is b, both values are 10, both values assigned to the a and the b are 10. So here we given the is operator, which is the special operator, and in special it is particularly identity operator. So it is identifying as true. Okay, suppose we use the here values for the 10 100 and for the b 10, so we will get here false after changing the values, because a is not b, both are the different. Now we will check the next operator, is not. Suppose we have given here is not, see here we given the a is not b, it will return us true. See, in this way these identity operators are working. Okay, now we will discuss the another example. We have assigned here value x is equal to true simply, and y is equal to false simply. Now we will print x is y, definitely it will give us the false, because x is true, y is false, so it will definitely give us the false. Suppose we give both the values true, x is equal to true, y is equal to true, and x is equal to y, suppose we print, we will get true. Okay, in this way, suppose we assign the both values as false, say, okay, we assign the x is equal to false, y is equal to false, so here also we will get the true, x is y is true. See, after running this cell we get again true. See, when we are using the is not, similar way, definitely similar way, here x is true, y is false, we are using is not operator, so is not is giving us true. See, true. Okay, now we will discuss next operator type, that is membership operator. See this membership operator, where we are discussing in and not in, these two types of the operators. Suppose here I have created one string, x is equal to string, where we mentioning the three words Parag, Kaustubh, Suhas. Okay, these three words are Kaustubh, Suhas, and with these three words we have created this string. So what will happen when we are printing this in operator like u in x? See, see, we are checking u in x, this x, so we got here u, right? See, u, here again u, so it is in x, so it will return true, right? Suppose we check the x value, x, is there x present or not? With x in x, what will return this? Yeah, many of you or all of you are right, because this is true, right? Okay, okay, fine, it's false. Okay, see, false, because x is not present inside this string. Okay, suppose y, for y, is y present? No, again it will give false. See, false. Okay, suppose p, with the p, is there p, capital P? See, suppose I have given a small p, what will happen? False, because small p in x, but there is no small p in x, so this print statement is false. Suppose we give the caps p in capital letter form, so this capital P is present here, so this will give us the true. Suppose I mention this Parag in x, what will return? True. See, true. Okay, in this way in operator works. And now the remaining operator is not in. So see, not in operator, not in, we mention here not in Parag, not in x, but it is in actual Parag is present in this string x, but we are mentioning here Parag not in x. So what will happen? We will get false statement. See, false. Okay, in this way in and not in are working in vice versa actually. Okay, so just practice it. This part is not much tough, but it is very useful while you are using the oops concept for the coding part. Not actually oops, when we are deep diving into the application building or any code flow, there it is very important to know how these operators are working. Suppose one more example we will discuss here. Let's see this example. Here we have created one list. Okay, let me add some rows. See, we have created one list. In this list we have put in this square brackets 10, 20, 30, three values, and we are printing here 10 in list. If the 10 is present in list, it will give true, right? So here the 10 is present, so it returns the true. See, suppose we added here some 100 and we check whether 100 in list. See, true. Suppose we will check 1000 in list, but there is no 1000 in list, so it will return us the false. After this 1000 in list, see, false. Okay, false. So now not in, suppose not in, with not in we will check, see, it's true, 1000 not in list. We will check for the value 20, it will return us false. 20 not in list because it is in list, so it will return false. Okay, so in this way these all operators working. Here the small program we have created with the if else statement. Just see, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10. If a is not equal to b, okay, then what will it should return? This is the semicolon. After semicolon, inside this if statement, see, print statement we have given, this is new batch. Else, inside this else statement we have printed no idea what to do. Okay, so when a is not equal to b, this will return this sentence. Otherwise, if both are equal, this will return this sentence. But here both are equal, so definitely it will return this sentence. Else statement, which is returning through the else statement, because if statement is not true. If the if statement is true, this will return this print statement. Okay, in future part, in if else conditions, we will see in detail. Let's change here value of the b with 20. Okay, and suppose we change the operator a is greater than 20, and we will change a is equal to 100. A is equal to 100, then b is equal to 20. Then we will change, we have changed here a is greater than b. So what will happen? Because the a is greater than b is true, we will get the first sentence as a output. This is new batch. See, this is mentioned in first statement. Okay, so in this way the operators are works. Keep practicing, and if you want any special lecture from any special topic, then also I will cover that in my next lecture. You can mention it into the comments box, and please like, share and subscribe.